Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn update the sales order. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the status, right? So status here we have marked delivered and the subject we are going to change it. Okay, let's use this. So very simple function that we are going to use it. So let's comment this. Okay, so here we have this updated, and let's go with our calling the function like this. So here we require the sales order ID. So definitely with in the last one we have to just use our last one. Otherwise you have to go over there and let's copy the sales order ID and paste it over here. Okay, so what we are trying to update it, that is the subject and the status. And if I go over here, so here you can see that the status is currently created and the subject is like the different one. Okay, so let's, if I go to the sales order, the subject is different, web hosting sales order, and here we have to update order name, right? Save this, let's run it. I think we have updated, like we have to just change this one. Okay, and let's run this. Okay, and update it. It's like web hosting. If I reload this, so update order name and it is smart delivered, right? So this is how you are able to update the sales order easily via Node.js API in the Zoho CRM. And without any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.